Hello friends, today we are going to learn the topic from syllabus of Mumbai University TYBA education course Same 6 paper 5 module 4, that is computer assisted instructions. CAI is an instructional material given to the learner with the help of software and hardware. Means the learning is done by learner themselves with the help of computer. There are 8 modes of CAI, that is information, drill and practice, tutorial, gaming, simulation, problem solving, practical and learning affairs managing. In information mode, learner can learn a lot by adopting an inquiry or discovery approach towards self-learning through instructions. Here computers play a role of enquiry officer and respond to students' inquiry with answers it has stored. Learners get a lot of information with the help of computer. Drill and practice mode provides various types of practice programs. It helps to develop variety of skills. For example, the question is 10 multiply 3 is how much? Learner is required to respond by typing numeric key from keyboard. If the answer is wrong, computer will display wrong. If the answer is correct, the next question will appear on the screen. Thus, a lot of practice is given to the learner by this mode. Next mode is tutorial mode. Here computers are engaged in actual teaching. The tutorial programs are prepared not only to provide instruction in topic but also provide sufficient practice with a proper track of students' difficulties and performance. Computer play the role of tutor by maintaining the perfect instructions. In gaming mode of CAI, learners are provided with variety of well-designed games. These games provides intellectual challenge, simulation of curiosity, and source of motivation. Rewards in the game creates interest and motivation in learning. Simulation mode provides training to the learner. With carefully prepared programs, the students are made to face a real situation. Students can build a town with their creativity. They do role of hunter in jungle. The students are trained here to face any dangerous, hardworking situation through the computers. The thinking process of learner can be developed in problem solving mode. Here the students solve problem with a scientific method. Students have to find the way for answer rather answer itself. The programs are prepared in such a way that answer for any question the learner have to search the source to find the answer. Learner selects various options for the answer and choose the best option by thinking the situation scientifically. This problem solving helps students in daily life also. If they have to take any decision, first they will find the problem, then they will keep the various options in front of them, then they select the best option, then they will think on that option from all the sides and they choose the correct way for the problem. In practical mode, learner can learn science experiment before actually performing in the laboratory. Thus, learner have a necessary preparation and background from computers for their better performance in lab. The proper check over the learning activities of individual student by academic weakness of student can be done by learning affair managing mode. Here, instructional activities give assignments, help the learner in self study, library reading, group work, take a test over assignment, keep a progress chart, and guide the teacher as well as parents to plan their children's education. So this mode is very important. The student, those who have the disability, those who are in the weak learning, so proper check is done by the mode of learning affairs managing, and that helps the student to do the learning in proper way. The reference of this video is taken from the book Educational Technology by Dr. S.K. Mangal. Thank you very much, students.